Kevin here with Joyland Roofing, and what I'm holding here is pipe flashing, otherwise called a pipe boot. And what this does is most homes, pretty much all homes, have vent pipes coming out of their roof. Typically they're for venting your bathroom or kitchen, also sometimes a radon vent pipe that's venting your basement. And what happens is this boot, this flashing, kind of slides down over that pipe that you see, coming up through here and seals that off. And then what we'll do is we'll put shingles around here that would cover up all of this. And pretty much the only thing exposed would be this part here. This part here is made out of silicone, so the sun isn't going to degrade it and it'll last for a very long time. Pipe boots come in all different shapes, sizes, and colors, and quality levels. What I'm holding here is called the Ultimate Pipe Flashing, and this comes with a 50-year guarantee to match most roof warranties. A lot of issues that happen around pipe flashings is this part here that seals against the pipe. With this one and this compression fitting, it will always stay sealed.